I'm Michael Dominic, and today I'm making orecchiette with hot Italian sausage and arugula. This delicious recipe packs a gigantic flavor punch, and while it's very easy to make, it demands a lot of attention. Sort of like your last girlfriend. Oh, dip! Everything is cooked in one pot, so that's nice. You know, people seem to enjoy that these days. We have very little prep. The ingredients are few, but they work very well together. Take the sausages out of their casings. Don't think about it too much. Casings are gross. If you can, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. We actually passed 500 subscribers. Dice your onion. If you're from Argentina, please do not cry. The onion has never left you. Lube up your pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-low heat. Test it with an ickle piece of onion. If it sizzles, faux jizzle, add your onions. Sauté those for a minute or 3 until they are translucent. Then for no reason, aggressively toss your sausage into the pan. I like to get a really good brown on the meat, but you can stop once it's cooked through. Use your spatula and break up the larger pieces into smaller pieces. These sausages came from Trader Joe's. They were unusually hot. If you don't like that much heat, you can also use sweet sausage and add red pepper to taste. You want to keep moving this around the pan so it gets nice and brown. Then keep doing that, and keep doing that, and more breaking, and more breaking. You know it's ready when your overhead camera overheats and stops working. Everyone cooks with an overhead camera, right? And once your doctor certifies that you have carpal tunnel and the meat looks like this, add the 4 cups of broth. Bring that to a simmer and add the pasta. Stir them in well. They like to stack into each other, so stay on top of it and keep separating them. If you don't, you will have additional pasta in 9 months. Test the cook on the pasta here and there. If needed, add up to 2 more cups of broth. Finally, when the broth is cooked down and the pasta is ready, remove from heat and add the arugula, stirring until it wilts, like my dreams. Plate it up. Sprinkle with Parmesan and serve. Lovely. And now for the final test. Success! If you like this video and would like me to make more, like, subscribe, and comment, and maybe I will. I'm not promising anything though.